Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone stuck on notification screen. So guys, if you have updated your device and you are facing a problem that your iPhone notification stuck on notification screen. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, don't worry, it is a basic and very easy. So guys, for that you have to just simply press and hold the volume up and volume down button, and after that hold the power off button, press and release volume up and volume down button, and hold the power off button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, you have to just simply force restart your device for one time, and after that guys, after force restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video has helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.